nice, you know?
You want to pull them up?
Yeah.
Woo, a little air on the neck.
Okay, yes. So we got a question. Brooke and I did, so we're gonna take care of that today. I'm Whitney, by the way.
I'm Brooke, hi.
Thanks for joining. The question that we got was, how do fines in your aggregate impact your fresh and hardened properties concrete? So first of all, for your fresh properties, Brooke, do you want to take fresh properties?
I'll turn down the music.
Okay, so for your fresh properties, if you have fines in your aggregate, it's going to wind up sucking up a lot of the water that you need for your workability and your for finishing, for your slump, for all that stuff. So it's going to make it a lot more difficult to work with, and then your slump's going to be drastically decreased from what it should be if you had a clean and good quality aggregate. For your hardened properties, that water that gets sucked up by those fines then translate to lower strengths, because the water that should be staying in your concrete for hydration to get a really good bonded, strong and durable concrete is going to get sucked up, and then you're just going to have concrete with lower strengths that could end up having scaling and just crumbling, just be a poor quality concrete in the beginning and then a poor quality concrete in the end when you get to your hardened properties. So.
Well said, Whitney. Well said. You slayed it. I got nothing to add.
Okay, so
Go
anyway,
concrete.
beat asphalt.